Hey, what's going on guys? Matt from CJ Off-Road. Today we're going to be doing a JL build. I know that this is super popular for you guys to see exactly what we're doing, and today we're lucky enough to have a 2018 four-door JL. This is a Sahara model in the ocean blue color. This is a gorgeous color in person, plus it's got a lot of the add-ons from the factory that make it a really nice vehicle on the inside. But sitting away it is stock just doesn't fit in here at CJ's. We've lifted all of our Jeeps, our JLs, and our JKs. So I think today we're going to change that up a little bit, add some 35-inch Toyo tires with a Mopar 2-inch Performance lift. Now this is going to get it up in the air and have it looking real good with these tires, get it wrapped around some Fuel Trophy wheels, so let's get started. So here you have it guys, this is the Mopar 2-inch suspension lift, fitting your 4-door 3.6-liter JL Wrangler. Now I've installed about 6 of these before. We actually have a complete detailed instruction video right on our YouTube page. Now if you're looking for every nut and bolt how to do it, the video is about 15 to 20 minutes long and it'll go through every step of the way. For this video, we're just going to put it on and show you how it looks. However, like I said, that video is available. Now with this lift, I'm super happy with all the components Mopar decided to include. You know, they really gave you the best of both worlds. You get a Mopar designed product, plus you get the Fox shocks. These Fox shocks are 2.5-inch shocks. Heck, the rears even come with a roof shield on there, so in case you're sanding in the dirt, you won't get any rocks up in there in the shaft and really wear out that shock. Comes with the lower control arms, new sway bar links, isolators, everything that you need to get your Jeep up in the air and safely. The guys at Mopar engineered this for this Jeep, so you know this is not an aftermarket. It's going to fit the first time because it's the same people that designed the Jeep. Now I've talked enough here down at the floor. We're going to get this on and see how it looks. These 18-inch wheels are great, but we got to ditch them, so let's get these ripped off first. That's a wrap on the front. Check it out. We got everything installed. It's going to pick it up nice and properly. Everything's torqued down to spec. We've got our Fox shocks, new springs. Let's move on to the rear so we can get that picked up. Then we'll get some tires on. Okay guys, phase 1 of this build is done. Got the lift on, Mopar 2-inch suspension. It went on really easily. Honestly, without having to film it, it probably took about 4 hours. 4 to 5 hours basic mechanics tools. Like I said before, the full install video is available on our YouTube channel. You can check that out and see every nut and bolt that you have to turn to get this on. But we got to get this thing on the ground, so let's put those Toyos wrapped around those Fuel Trophy wheels on here and see how they look. That's a wrap, guys. This JL is completely built. It's a 2018 Sahara, and I'm super happy with the way it looks. In just a couple hours, we got the Mopar lift, 35-inch tires, and some fuel wheels installed, as well as that plate on the back to carry that larger tire. I'm really happy with the way everything went together. The fit and finish of the Mopar lift is great. Wheels and tires went on there perfectly, no rubbing issues, lock to lock. Now, I'm gonna say to you that everything available today that we showed you is available right here at cjponyparts.com. And also, we have all the videos to show you how to install everything we did today in complete depth. That way you can go through and watch everything a little bit slower if you decide to buy this kit. Now, this JL Sahara is not done yet. This customer is gonna be back and we're gonna be putting on some more projects, so make sure you stay tuned for that. For all your other great off-road content, be sure to subscribe to our CJ Off-Road YouTube channel. And until that time, I'll see you guys out in the trail.